Welcome to Dream Cars. Today we're diving into the timeless beauty of the Volkswagen Beetle, a car that blends classic charm with modern innovation at the front. The Volkswagen Beetle flaunts its signature rounded hood and iconic circular headlights, now equipped with advanced LED technology for optimal brightness and style. The bold honeycomb grille adds a sporty touch, giving the Beetle a modern, aggressive edge while staying true to its heritage. Moving to the side, the Beetle's aerodynamic silhouette takes interstage. The smooth flowing lines are complemented by large 19-inch alloy wheels with a striking black and gold finish, perfectly matching the car's metallic gold exterior. The sharp side mirrors and sleek roofline complete the sporty look. From the rear, the Beetle continues to impress. The bold LED tail lights follow a sleek design, ensuring visibility and style. The roof spoiler and dual exhaust pipes enhance the car's sporty appeal, while the integrated bumper diffuser ties it all together. The metallic gold finish stands out in any environment, reflecting light beautifully to create a dynamic and eye-catching effect. Whether it's under showroom lights or out on the road, the Beetle never fails to turn heads. The interior of the Beetle is where modernity meets elegance. The dashboard is sleek and minimalistic, featuring a premium digital instrument cluster that gives you all the information you need at a glance. The large responsive touchscreen infotainment system in the center ensures seamless access to navigation, media and connectivity options. Metallic accents and ambient lighting throughout the cabin elevate the driving experience to a whole new level. The Satan of Volkswagen Beetle are a blend of sportiness and comfort. Upholstered and premium leather with detailed stitching, they provide excellent support for long drives while exuding luxury. The two-tone design adds a touch of sophistication, and the front seats are both heated and fully adjustable for maximum. The Beetle offers surprising practicality. The rear seats are spacious enough to comfortably accommodate passengers, and they can fold down to expand the trunk space. Whether you're heading out for a weekend road trip or daily errands, the Beetle provides plenty of room for your needs. Moving to the back, the Volkswagen Beetle doesn't shy away from making a bold statement. The tail lights feature a unique LED design, offering a bright and stylish look that enhances visibility at night. The integrated roof spoiler adds to the sportified, improving aerodynamics while complementing the car's overall aesthetics. The dual exhaust pipes paired with a sleek diffuser not only look stunning but also hint at the Beetle's performance capabilities. The metallic gold exterior continues to shine from every angle, creating a seamless connection between the interior mix exterior design. The subtle interplay of light on the rear bumper, spoiler and tail lights highlights the craftsmanship that goes into every detail of this car. With its refined interior and bold backside design, the Volkswagen Beetle proves it's more than just a car. It's a style statement built for comfort and practicality. At the rear, the 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle showcases its signature curvaceous design with a modern twist. The round LED tail lights pay homage to its classic roots, while the sleek sculpted rear bumper and chrome accents give it a sophisticated contemporary look. This iconic rear view blends nostalgia with futuristic styling, making it a head-turner on any road. Underneath the rear hood, the 2025 Super Beetle continues its legacy with a compact engine paired with modern performance upgrades. The classic rear engine layout remains, offering a unique driving experience, while the updated suspension ensures smooth handling for today's roads. Despite its retro design, the 2025 Super Beetle offers surprisingly spacious cargo space. The trunk, now more accessible, provides plenty of room for a weekend getaway, maintaining the Beetle's practicality for everyday use. Please subscribe, share and like and comment below to our channel Dream Cars.